Hello friends! Let's continue with the body parts. I have 2 knees. Knees helps us to bend our legs. Eyelashes. It protects the eyes from the dirt to enter and harm our eyes. Nails. It protects the soft tissues of the fingers and the toes from injury. Neck. It supports the weight of our head. Cheeks. I have 2 chubby cheeks. It helps in the movement of chewing. Chin. It also helps in the movement of chewing. Eyebrows. It prevents the sweat from falling down into our eyes. Head. I can move my head with my neck. Ankles. It helps in the movement of our leg, like walking, running, and jumping. Forehead. It helps us to express our sadness and happiness and also helps in the movement of our eyebrows. Thank you.